kire gondolok? Vízjáték Nórival és Lacival. Szóval, legjobb túrázós és zarándoklati 5040 km. Hófehérlapos talpú Adidas városi cipő. Abba bokazokni, farmer rövid nadrág, fekete kis toppocska, egy nyárias laza ing, félre gombolva, haj szanaszétál, egy gumi, az is már mindjárt ketté szakad, ki van nyúlva. Táskában esőkabát, pulcsi, szúnyogriasztó, kullancs, legalapvetőbb dolgok. Tehát minek? Komolyan minek? Ja, ezüst fülkarika, lógós, nehéz, újra, és az egyedi stílus. Megfejtéseket a komment szekcióban Lacinál lehetne adni.
Megkérdeztem az AI-t, vajon hogy látja a zarándoklatot, annak eseményeit és a résztvevőit, titeket. Lássuk! Yes, 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 sir. That's right. Yes, 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 sir. They tell me the only thing we learn from history is we usually don't learn from history. Anyway, make mad noise for the king, just say, oh, all the new school and slow things we say, oh, guys don't play, let it ring, just say, oh, what you say, what you say, oh, girls, if you know that he rules the same, if you know that he's better than choose to say, if there's no better way for you to say, what you say, what you say. Bless the Lord, oh my soul, know the drop, know the flow, know it's all Jesus talk, Jesus walk. So we stroll to the block, to the crib, to wherever it or miss. We gon' bring that rugged truth, but loving you our spirit is not controlled by that swagger. You know this got to have an attitude that's rather rude. We rather choose a godly character, ristic like the Christocentric life. That's the life where Christ the central, since he's Mr. Right with the mic. We gon' grab it, dag nab it. If he wants a witness, he gon' have it. If there's an open mic, we gon' grab it. It's the avid kid of the God that's in Isaiah 6, sins a habit. So when I saw this God, I was straight up sick. Just when I thought it was over, hold up, the Lord showed up with a cross on his shoulder. The nails drove into the boss like a chauffeur, but all wasn't lost, cause of course the Savior rose up. Make mad noise for the King, just say, oh, all the new school and slow things we say, oh, fellas don't play, let it ring, just say, oh, what you say, what you say, oh, girls, if you know that he rules to say, if you know that he's better than choose to say, if there's no one for you to say, what you say, what you say. There's some things that'll block you, some things that'll stop you from getting with the God who sees all things with binocular vision. With precision, he got beams that'll watch you. So watch the way you live. Now here's those things that'll stop you from God being your treasure. First thing is the treasure that'll cut any appetite for God. Bet it up, cheddar, leathers, plasmas, etc. The chains, the planes, the range, the helicopter, plus the shiny rocks in your mouth area. These will fill you up, so when it comes to God, you had enough. Next is power, it devours. If you're chicken, it's the flour. It can smother you, cover you up like when they hit the towers. It can take you out. Some power is known to fake you out, make you want your way, even if your way's a shaky route. You'll take matters in your own hand. God will say no, but you're grown, you own your home, so you're your own man. Természetesen a valóság sokkal menőbb volt. Nagy erő!
Ilyet eddig nem csináltam. Köszönöm a lehetőséget, azóta is nagyon jól érzem magam most már a Kereszt társaságában.
Józsikám, szerinted mivel jöttem? Nem tudom.
Igazán. Annyi.